It's a 1970 SS original. I have the original motor and transmission, all numbers matching. That's not what's in the car presently. Got a 383 stroker, 350 turbo transmission. Got a 4-link rear end. It's mini tub. Bought it from a guy in Iowa just a few years ago. Actually broke my back in a car accident. Yeah, rollover accident. So kind of got a little bit of insurance money, and this is what I bought. I didn't really restore it, no, but I did have a gutted interior. Put down some sound matting, kill mat, just basic stuff. The mini tub and the 4-link in the back. Not a lot of people even notice it, but it's got a full lip under there. My other set of tires are 305, and it fits underneath there, full lip. Rides pretty good too. I've had people stop at my house and just sitting in the driveway and they want to come out and take pictures of it, look at it. It's pretty cool.